Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst lush green mountains, there lived a young man filled with curiosity and a deep thirst for knowledge. He had heard tales of a wise Buddhist monk residing in a nearby temple, renowned for his wisdom and insight. Determined to seek guidance, the young man embarked on a journey to meet the monk and learn the secret to increasing his intelligence. After days of travel, the young man finally arrived at the temple. He was greeted by the serene atmosphere and the scent of incense wafting through the air. With eager anticipation, he approached the monk, bowing respectfully and expressing his desire to become more intelligent. The wise monk, known for his humble demeanor and gentle smile, listened attentively to the young man's request. Understanding the depth of his yearning, the monk decided to impart wisdom through a practical lesson rather than mere words. "Come," the monk said, gesturing for the young man to follow him. They walked in silence until they reached the banks of a crystal-clear river that flowed gracefully through the village. Sitting down beside the tranquil waters, the monk motioned for the young man to do the same. "Observe the river carefully," the monk instructed softly. "Watch how it flows, adapting to the contours of the land without resistance." As they sat together, the young man focused his gaze on the mesmerizing dance of the river. He marveled at how effortlessly it maneuvered past rocks, branches, and other obstacles. The water embraced each challenge, gracefully curving and flowing around them, never impeded or hindered by the barriers it encountered. After a while, the monk turned to the young man and asked, "What have you learned from the river?" Reflecting upon the scene before him, the young man replied, "The river teaches us to be adaptable and find solutions instead of resisting obstacles. It navigates effortlessly, adjusting its course to keep flowing." The monk nodded, acknowledging the young man's observation. "Indeed," he said, a gentle smile spreading across his face. "Intelligence is not confined to the acquisition of knowledge or the ability to recall facts. True intelligence lies in our capacity to adapt, learn, and find creative solutions to the challenges we encounter." He continued, "Like the river, we must embrace change and flow with the circumstances. It is in the face of obstacles that we truly grow. By approaching life with an open mind and a flexible mindset, we can unlock the boundless potential of our intelligence." The young man's eyes widened as he grasped the essence of the monk's words. It wasn't simply about acquiring more information or memorizing facts. It was about nurturing qualities such as adaptability, open-mindedness, and resilience, the very attributes that allowed the river to flow effortlessly. With a newfound understanding burning within him, the young man expressed his gratitude to the wise monk. He rose from the riverbank, feeling an immense sense of purpose and determination to cultivate the qualities of intelligence within himself. From that day forward, the young man devoted himself to the path of self-improvement. He embraced change with an open heart, seeking opportunities to expand his knowledge, explore new perspectives, and find creative solutions to obstacles that came his way. Over time, the young man's intelligence blossomed not only in his understanding of the world but also in his ability to connect with others, to empathize and support them in their journeys. He became a beacon of wisdom in his community, sharing the teachings of the river and the monk, inspiring others to embark on their own quests for intelligence. And so, the story of the young man and the wise monk's lesson spread far and wide, carrying with it the profound wisdom that true intelligence is not solely measured by knowledge alone but is nurtured through adaptability, open-mindedness, and the relentless pursuit of personal growth. May we all be like the river, flowing effortlessly in the face of obstacles, and may we cultivate the intelligence within us to make this world a better place for all.